because they have committed any crime, but because they were brave enough to ask for a better life. We are going to ache. A lot of people will be horrified. A lot will be enraged, scared, and sad. But, oh Heavenly Father, do not allow us to lose ourselves, the hope that you have planted in us for a better tomorrow, or your own voice in all the noise that is happening around Nigeria. May your godly spirit fill us and lift us up, inspire us, that we may inspire those around us. This is not a time for despair or for licking of our wounds, because the battle has not been won. Give us your fortitude and your courage. May you allow our strategy to point us towards that and help those on the ground, the organizers, to focus and sustain our energies this morning. And may our fear for the future in Nigeria bring us back to the reality of the present. That Nigeria is not a place for habitation. It is not a place where human beings are supposed to live in. Give us the connections to do the right things. Provide us the resources as I prayed, O Heavenly Father, and multiply our ways made to feel the horror, the outrage, and the grief they have inflicted upon other people's children. Their children will also suffer. These people will suffer because we have crossed the Rubicon and there is no going back, and the zoo must fall. It must fall. You gave us a promise that you are a God that changeth not. You are the same yesterday, today, and forevermore. At this time of immense pain and heartache, we ask for your guidance and your blessing. We are reassured by the words of King David, your son that you loved so much, that in times of good we praise thee, in times of bad we also give you adulation. You will accept blood into your bosom, sustain them, that their sacrifice may not be in vain. We thank you above all for sweeping away the stupidity in the brain of a black person from these brave young youths. Sustain them and guide them this very day. Today is another day, and that very zoo will burn and it will fall. That your mercy may guide us in the building of a new nation, where your name will be praised, where honesty and accountability will reign, where honor and dignity will prevail in place of janjaweed mediocrity. O Heavenly Father, visit upon Britain the same thing that have visited upon innocent people. May all those that have a hand in this also suffer. They will suffer now, they will suffer tomorrow, their children will suffer it, their children's children will suffer it. Guide us to the homes of all those involved in the massacre of the innocents, a taste of their own medicine. The wickedness and the evil in Africa must come to an end, and the blood of our children is being offered as a sacrifice to attain that noble reality. We honor thee, we thank thee, we adore you, and we ask for your mercy. Have mercy upon us. Forgive us our sins. Forgive us our sins. Forgive us our sins. that your kingdom may come on this very earth, and that your name may be glorified, worshipped, adored, and praised, now and forevermore, we pray. He said, if you have people heading to protest grounds this morning, if you have people who are in Lagos, in Aba, in Iguacha, and even in Umuahia, please ask them to tune in, to download IPOB Community Radio, and to listen to our broadcast. We shall endeavor to be as live throughout this very day as we possibly can. As I said earlier, if this program is intermittently interrupted due to the cold that I have, please do forgive us, because we have not slept for quite a few days now, or should I say slept very well. This is and the whole world is bearing us witness. Please refresh, because I was told earlier that Radio Biafra app is working. Radio Biafra app is not working. It is playing old broadcast because Nigerian government is in charge. They bought over some people within IPOB and they are doing their bidding. Our own app radio is working. IPOB community radio is working. Very, very important. We must proceed this morning to expose the lies of the Lagos state government of Sanwo-Olu. Sanwo-Olu is a liar. He planned to go on air this morning to go and announce that he is not responsible, but we are telling him that he is responsible. If in this volatile situation, the Fulani persuade you or succeeded in persuading you to announce a curfew, what else do you think will follow? The Fulani Janjaweed will open fire on innocent protesters. Exactly what we have been warning about for very many years. None of you listened. People did not listen. If you allow Sanwo-Olu to get away with this, then you have not learned anything from this platform. Sanwo-Olu is responsible. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is responsible, and he is receiving his punishment. Every business owned by Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be destroyed. But he should be lynched. He should be hanged in public today. Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be hanged in public today. If you get him, you hang him. No longer, sir, all this idiot, all these stupid things you're doing. Every idiot you see, you call sir. Every fool you see, you call Oga. Chairman, that rubbish must come to an end. They are human beings like you. If you catch Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you don't call him Oga. All this nonsense. You people are the idiots that enabled them to have this mindset of impunity, to be killing their own people. You will catch Bola Ahmed Tinubu today, and he will be hanged in public. Today, he will be hanged in public. He will be caught. We understand that he wants to run away. He has a private jet, I am sure, at the private, or should I say, the Mohammed Airport in Ikeja. That was why I said that that airport needs to be under siege. There is a revolution going on now. It is no longer protest, a revolution, because people are fighting for their faith. It is our responsibility and duty to support those who are protesting. Very, very important. Let me reiterate what I said yesterday. Any army officer you see or police officer you see with a uniform is your enemy. Is your enemy. We outnumber them by over 100,000 to 1. We outnumber them. Anybody you see with a police uniform or army uniform is an enemy. You kill that very person. I am announcing this so that the world can hear. You kill that very person, they are your enemies. And all those that knows the homes of the idiot that carried out the attack yesterday, the commanding officer, I want to hear news about what you're doing to his home. Everywhere they are, you must hunt them down. You must hunt them down. If you leave them, they will continue. If you allow them to continue killing innocent people, you will embolden them. Hunt them down, and the federal government building and property should be on fire right now. I am telling you what you will do, and our freedom will be secured right now, this very minute. This very minute. You must do it. There is no time for delay. We are no longer asking for end Sars or end this or end that. End to the impunity that is Nigeria, because they brought it on. People are protesting all over the whole world. Governments are not shooting at them, but they bought over the media. Britain is in control of what is happening in the zoo. They are using their diplomatic clout and might to suppress the truth from coming out. You have to make the world report the truth. You are not going to make them report the truth by just tweeting on social media. You must take action. You must take action. We understand that Sabongeri in Kanu is also under attack. Every Janjaweed business in Biafra, we kill them in Biafra land immediately. Right now, this very minute. Anywhere you see them, you destroy them this very morning. If they in our let that thing that will happen in the next 4 years happen now. Nigeria wants war. That war, they are going to get a war that will last for 1,000 years. And after that very war, there will be no Fulani on indigenous soil in Nigeria. Even the Hausas will kick them away. Now they are now Fulani. They are no longer Hausa Fulani, because they know that we have exposed their secrets. We have exposed them. There are videos of where the army started shooting. They cannot shoot Boko Haram. They cannot shoot Fulani bandits. Their governors are under siege. They are praying every blessed day. Please pray for us. Please pray. Where is Gowon? All of you shouting, to keep Nigeria one must be done. Where are they today? If you find Gowon, you lynch him. If you find Gowon, you lynch him. All those one Nigeria advocates, if you find them, you lynch them. They are saboteurs. If you find Wodo, if you find Edwin Clark, you lynch them. These are the evil in the society. If they remain alive, your freedom can never come. Forget all that stupid nonsense. Senior statesman, elder. These people are the ones holding you down. Our young people in Lagos State, that Tinubu is the problem. They are dealing with him. Everybody who is the problem in our land must be dealt with. Now is the time to go after them, all of them, all the saboteurs. Anywhere you see Okezi Bazo, take him down. If you see Okezi Bazo, take him down. The corpses of the protesters should be taken to, not to Tinubu, not only Tron. It must be taken to Sanwo-Olu, the governor of the state. I don't know who allowed him into a hospital. Who allowed him to go. He was the one that announced the curfew. Some of you should not be stupid. This is the time to put on your thinking hat. Before you do anything, you consider it. Why are you listening to Sanwo-Olu? He was the one who announced the curfew. The same thing Okezi Bazu did in Abia State. And this time around, they cannot go free. This time around, they cannot go free. I am giving a direct order. You will hunt them down. Hunt them down wherever you see them. I don't mean stones. Don't throw stones at their convoy. Throw Molotov cocktails on their convoy. Set their cars ablaze. Any property that belongs to the federal government of Nigeria should be destroyed. Even those in the middle belt. You must do it if you want to be free from Fulani Janjaweedism. Now is your time to be free. All their homes should be destroyed, all of them, because they are killing and taking the lives of people away. That's what they're doing. Okay, if I hear that Zipazo gave a press statement or appeared live anywhere, I will hold our volunteers responsible. I want him to die. I don't mind how many lives we are going to sacrifice. Okay, Zipazo must die in Abia State. He will die in Abia State. I want every police station in Aga destroyed. Every police station must be put on flames. Attack them where you see them. The best form of defense is to go on attack. In Nigeria, you don't allow yourself you don't allow them to come to you. Go to them. Go to them. Go. I want every road blocked. No walk today. Every road in Nigeria, even people in the villages, bring out, cut down huge trees, iroko trees, block every road. Only people who are working for this revolution will be allowed to pass. Only revolutionaries will be allowed to pass. I want every road blocked. Every road blocked. Any Igwe, any governor, anybody who gets up to talk rubbish, hunt the person down. Hunt the idiot down. They are killing our people in the north. Are you aware of that? In Sabongeri, they are killing our people. BBC is in Hausa land. They are not doing anything. They are not reporting it. Every Alamajiri, if they burn one more church, destroy every mosque. If they burn one more church in the north, if they tamper with one more church in the north, I want every mosque raised down. That order will come. That thing they want to see, now they will see it. Now they will see it. Mad people everywhere. They want to deceive you this morning through Channels Television. And if Channels Television doesn't take time, the order will be given to destroy them. I don't want media houses touched. If you know you cannot report what is happening objectively, you shut up your stupid, dirty mouth and not try to convince the people or deceive them. If Channels Television continues this way, they will be the next target. Tinubu never thought that his hotel will be destroyed. He never thought that before. He doesn't know how angry the people on the ground are. He has no idea. They have no idea. Channels Television must be careful. Channels TV, you must be careful what you report. You must be very, very careful. You stupid people everywhere. Hope Uzodinma, if you find him, you take him down. Hope Uzodinma in Imo State. If anywhere you see his convoy, block the road with a tree, block their escape, allow them to waste their bullets, catch them and hang Hope Uzodinma on the nearest tree. Hang him on the nearest tree. It is a death sentence that we are passing on all of them. If you catch Sanwo Olu, you hang him. Anybody who announces 24-hour curfew is an enemy of the people. You are an enemy of the people. When, as a governor, you came out to address the people, did they touch you? Did they attack you? They allowed you to use the microphone to address them. Some of them even hailed you. All of a sudden, you want to play the zoo game. You want to go back and you want to make life horrible for everybody. Go, thunder fire, all of you. Stupid idiots. Anybody calling any governor excellency, anybody who calls a governor in Nigeria your excellency, if you're around, slap the idiot. Slap the fool. The era of deference is gone. All that is gone. Is gone. If you are governor of Delta State, your name is Ifan Yokowa. If you won't answer, go to hell. I say, go to hell. Don't prefix their name with a governor. The same way now that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is being referred to as Bola Ahmed Tinubu, not Ashiwaju. That is rubbish. Pure rubbish. His name is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is how you refer to him. Do not God punish all of them. Thing. I want to let them understand how powerful God has made our young people on the streets. How powerful they are. Only one order. We said, remove, if your relative is in Oriental Hotel, bring the person out, burn it down. And within 10 minutes, it happened. Let them know how powerful we are because they don't understand it. And we said when the time comes, we will burn the zoo down. The zoo must be burned. We are going to rebuild it. Their houses are not fine anyway. Those structures there are not beautiful. After this revolution, we will now build cities that when you see it, you will not believe it's Africa. You will see it and you open your mouth, you won't think it. You will say, oh no, this is, you will think you're dreaming. Every federal government property must go down. I'm telling you the truth. You must set them on fire. Block every road. Anywhere you see, youths in villages should organize. Lay ambush. It's a guerrilla war. You lay ambush. Don't present yourself to be shot. Lay ambush. Frustrate them. Frustrate them until they take off their uniform. If they take off their uniform, spare that person. Anybody wearing Nigerian army uniform or police uniform, kill the idiot. Kill the bastard. They have come to kill you. Some of you do not hear. Until it's too late. The same thing happening today. Did I not warn about it many years ago? I warned you. I warned you. I warned you many years ago. You didn't listen. If I tell you something and you don't do it, you will live with the consequences. I'm telling you now. Anybody wearing army uniform is your enemy. If they're wearing police uniform, they are your enemies. You must understand it very carefully. And you must attack them. Don't ask questions. Attack them first. Attack them. Attack them first. Has Tinubu fled to France? I don't know how he escaped. I want IPOB. In fact, I am reconstituting our international volunteers. We will find him. We are going to sacrifice lives in America, in Europe, everywhere we find them. We are going to die, yes. But we are going to take them with us. These people are horrible. They are They are horrible. You people don't know how wicked your so-called politicians are. You have no idea. You don't know how wicked they are. They hate you. They despise you. They will kill you if it means that will place them in a position of authority to continue looting. Some of you are daft. You don't know anything. They hate you. There is no politician in Nigeria. What you have are kleptomaniacs. These are criminals, hardened criminals. Pursue Hope Uzodinma. He has no mandate. That one is a bona fide criminal. And anybody, let me repeat, any traditional ruler, any Oba, any Igwe, anybody who comes out to say, stop, you are an enemy of the people. Is to say to whoever is in Asarok, get away from there. Before any negotiations can start, whoever is in Asarok must get away from there. That is the fact. Anybody saying stop, because it doesn't matter what you do anyway, they're going to kill you regardless. So you might as well defend yourselves. We are suffering. America, give us arms. Britain, give us weapons. Pakistan, give us weapons. We don't have anything. But you have weapons to kill unarmed protesters. That is the zoo for you. He is on the run. We'll find him. Tinubu is on the run. If it's in France, IPOB will find him in France. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter where you are. Wherever you are, we are going to find you there. Any governor that pronounces 24-hour curfew, you are a dead man walking. You are finished. You are part of the axis of evil, working for Fulani to Islamize us, to put Ruga everywhere, to build Fulani highway, to build Fulani colony. You think we don't know? That is your plan. All of you idiots. Nobody should refer to anybody again as a governor. If Anambra is your name is Willie Obiano, if you will not answer, you piss off, you go to hell. If you're the governor of Ebonyi State, your name is Dave Umahi. Dave Umahi, no governor anymore. You can say Dave Umahi, governor of Ebonyi State, but not Governor Dave Umahi. Never again. Never again. Okezie Ibazo must be found. Okezie Ibazo must be found. People say, come back, come back, come back. They don't even know where I am. They're saying, come back in the ara. Do you know where I am? Ask Britain if they know where I am. Ask them if I'm in the UK. Mad people everywhere. They don't know what is happening. Come back, come back. Do you know where I am? No, you don't. We are live and we are direct. And the whole heaven, the host of heaven is bearing us witness. The video is out there. The moment the army started shooting at protesters, I want the video extracted and I want it to be placed on my page this morning. You will see your so-called army, our boys in the army. They have not defeated Boko Haram. They have never won any war in their lives. The only thing they specialize in is the killing of innocent civilians. Of you do not understand. When I was telling you, you failed to understand. The video is there for the world to see and it must go viral. The video must go viral. That is something you must do. The video must go viral, please. It must go viral. We have managed it at IPOB. Share. Nobody said anything. And I want bulletproof barricades to be built. Bulletproof barricades to be built around the protesters today. And only the brave men will now go out to take their arms from some them. Any soldier with a gun is you catch him. And you hang him. Of course, I want to know, we know very, very clearly that Tinubu's hotel was set ablaze yesterday. It was burnt yesterday. They don't know who we are. They are playing with us. They are playing with the youths of this generation. This generation 2020. This generation 2020, they must now are going to march. Wherever you see Nigerian army, outflank them, go through the back, attack them, take their guns away from them, and kill them. That is what they want, and that is exactly what they are going to get. Because if you keep quiet, those people will destroy lives. They will destroy people. I want the video, I want that very video of where the army started shooting people to be everywhere. To be everywhere. Some of you may understand that if they kick you out of one, you go to the other. It's a very simple ploy. If they kick us out, we go and we continue. Very, very shortly, our lines are going to take calls, please, because to understand those people will destroy lives. They will destroy people. I want the video, I want that very video of where the army started shooting people to be everywhere. To be everywhere. Some of you may understand that if they kick you out of one, you go to the other. It's a very simple ploy. If they kick us out, we go and we continue. Very, very shortly, our lines are going to after them now. Wherever you catch them, go after them. They are the problem. They are the problem. They say that Tinubu is in France. He could be lying. You know he's a liar and a deceiver. Go and find him wherever he is. Wherever he is, we are going to find them. We are going. See, I said now is the hunting season for Sabo. Hope Uzodema. Hope Uzodema. You see, Nyawodo. Find them. Find them now. Tinubu has run away. If they tell you that young people will make Tinubu to run away, will you believe it? He has run away. All the criminals must run away. Those in Mina, rise up. Babangida must run away. He cannot run. He's in a wheelchair. Go and find Babangida now. Go and find him in Mina. If you're in Mina, find Babangida. Find Abdul Salami Abubakar. That is how revolutions are done. Find your tormentors. Find your tormentors and take them away. Find them. And every business you know that is owned by Babangida, these are the people that caged your future. It is not your uncle in the village. It is not so your brother. No, no, no. The destiny killers are the lives of Tinubu and Babangida. Find them. Find them. Anywhere you see them, you kill them. They want war. Now they have war. And they will see what is going to happen to them, all of them. Mad people everywhere. Mad. Every airport should be blocked. You people, you don't listen. I said block the roads. Go and bring tanker, bring anything. Block the road to airport. They want to escape. Block the roads to the airport. They want to run away. Block the road. And in Abia State, block every road in Abia. We must get Ibaso. Ibaso must be hanged in public. Ageli and Andrew, he must be hanged in public. He must be hanged in public. They think we are joking. They don't know how mad we are. I told them, you don't know how mad. These people, anybody talking about one Nigeria from today is an enemy of the people. Forget your one Nigeria. What we are talking about is the future of the youths in Nigeria, because they are brave and we want their lives to be better. These sacrifices this sacrifice they are making right now cannot be in vain. Never, ever, ever. We are going to build a better society for them. Their yearnings and their aspirations, they will witness in their lifetime. Do you know why this revolution is a success? Because they never allowed anybody to hijack it. They never allowed any interest group to hijack it. That's why we are where we are. Any idiot who goes on television to talk nonsense supporting this government is an enemy of the people. We outnumber them. We are more intelligent than they are. We can outsmart them. Our strategies are one to follow instructions, and you see the zoo collapse in front of your eyes, and you will be free. Everybody will be free. Whatever name you want to answer, you can answer. We may finish this very battle. Oh, we want our name to be Nigeria. That's your prerogative. That's entirely up to you. The edifice of must crumble. Go and find Babangida where he is. No room for pity or mercy. No room for pity or mercy. We are going to find all of them. It was Babangida that killed Delegiwa. What did Delegiwa do? Exactly what we are doing today. He spoke the truth. Delegiwa was killed the same way they came to kill me, because even as a teenager, everybody loved him. He is my hero. Delegiwa is my hero. Everybody loved him. Everybody wanted to read Newswatch, and Babangida killed him. Today, Babangida is still alive. His children are alive. But the wife and children of Delegiwa, they have no husband, they have no father. Such nonsense must stop. If you don't kill these people, the same way they killed your fathers, they will also kill you. They have no mercy. Those of you in Mina must rise up. The Nupe people in Mina, you must rise up. Nupe, you must rise up in Mina and deal with the problem afflicting you. They said people in Imo State are scared of losing their hotels. Unbelievable. Find Hope Uzodinma for me, please. Find him. I told him a time will come. He can come outside. Find Hope. Wherever you see it, it's an order. Destroy Hope Uzodinma. If you take your 2 eyes and see Hope Uzodinma, destroy him. If you see Okezi also, destroy the idiot. They want war, they will get it. Their Fulani fathers cannot save them. And before I come off air, I want to hear what has happened to the family of the man that led the fight, or should I say that led the assault against innocent protesters. That's Brigadier General or whatever it's called. I want to hear what has happened to him and his family. Now they must be taught a lesson. Because if you don't do it, they will kill, they will go to hospital. Oh, we are sorry, that the army are still on the streets. We have government building to be destroyed. We have the armaments to do it. Deploy them now is an order. Deploy it now. Every federal government building must be set ablaze. Set it ablaze. They are mad. They have come to kill other people's children. They have come to kill other people's children. Tinubu escaped to France. That is what they know how to do best. They have escaped to France. Trying to shift the blame. If they kill in Abia, okay, it's not my fault, I don't know. The person that announced 24 hours curfew. How about those governors that have not announced 24 hours? Did Anambra announce 24 hours? You people are fools because you don't reason very well. You want to impress your guy. Oh, I'm here, I'm going to do your bidding. All those things that Zipasu took from my house, when they came to my house to kill me, you will vomit all of them. You will vomit all of them. Find Zipasu and you kill him. Find him and you kill him. He's in a convoy. The armaments we have can penetrate any armor. Use it and you kill the idiot. Zipasu must die. He must die. He's an idiot. He must die. Fools everywhere. Fools everywhere. Let us open our lines. Only for those calling from Biafra land. Only those calling from Biafra land. Please. Only those calling from, no, should I say, all over Nigeria, please. Very, very important. I want that very clip of your so-called brave soldiers. Our boys. I remember when they were killing IPOB. Our boys. Terrorists now. Me and Aisha's boyfriend in Asorok, who is a terrorist now. Who are the people terrorizing you now? People of Lagos, who are those terrorizing you? It's not Sanwo-Olu and Tinubu. Sanwo-Olu and Tinubu. If they bring out their tongues, we face them and we kill them today in Lagos. Let them bring out their tongues. Let them bring them out. To come and fight Nigerian youths, innocent people. Fighting for a better tomorrow. Fighting for a better tomorrow. And you want to kill them. And you think that if you kill them, you get away scot-free. No, not anymore. Okezie Ibasu must be found. The government house of Omwanya in my father's land must be brought down. Okezie Ibasu must be found. There will be no peace in Abia anymore. Okezie Ibasu Agachotabeno, and you will go down. You bloated buffoon. You will go down. Next time, if they ask you to give order to police to shoot, you will say no. Okezie Ibasu must be found. Wherever he is, if you see his convoy, you hit, destroy them, all of them in the convoy. If you are traveling with Okezie Ibasu now, your life is in danger because you will die. If you are traveling with Hope Uzodinma, your life is in danger and you will die. Any governor, if you think you're the governor, let them kill anybody in your state and you'll be a haunted animal. All your businesses will go down. We will do to you what we did to Tinubu last night. And the idiot ran away. I thought they said they're powerful. They don't know how strong we are. They have no idea. They have no clue. They have no idea. They have no clue. We must be very resolute. We must be very, very resolute. We must be very, very resolute. Tinubu is on the run. Who is the person leading thugs? Who is the person? Anybody that leads a thug, you find him and you kill him. Anybody who is recruiting a thug, find the idiot and you kill the bastard. As simple as that. Why are you wasting time? They have come to kill you. Then what are you doing? You are just complaining, posting pictures on Facebook. Go and find the idiot and kill. Fulani are not smart, they're not intelligent. And I want to prove to Britain that God also created black people who can reason. That generation is now. This generation can now reason very well. And Britain cannot defeat us. Britain cannot continue to colonize us through the back door. Through the Fulani Janjaweed. It's not possible. That era has come to an end. It has come to an end. Find Hope Uzodinma. Find Okeze Ikpeazu for me. And you hang them. I don't want them shot. Hang them. Put rope around their neck and hang them on a tree. I want them hanged. If you are serious in the middle belt, you must find Babangida where he is. These are the criminals. These are the people that destroyed your life and your hopes. Find them. Find them. That is what you need to do. If you cannot do it, that means you're not serious. You are not serious. And we are direct. And the whole world is paying attention. Mankind will come to a standstill this very day. And you hang them. I don't want them shot. Hang them. Put rope around their neck and hang them on a tree. I want them hanged. If you are serious in the middle belt, you must find Babangida where he is. These are the criminals. These are the people that destroyed your life and your hopes. Find them. Find them. That is what you need to do. If you cannot do it, that means you're not serious. You are not serious. We are live and we are direct. And the whole world is paying attention. Find them. Find them. That is what you need to do. If you cannot do it, that means you're not serious. You are not serious. We are live and we are direct. And the whole world is paying attention. Find them. This is a live condition. That is what the world is bearing us witness. I told you about 2020, didn't I tell you? Did I not tell you about 2020? We are now in October. Where is the Biafra? Idiot. The thing about Umuokoko is that they never ever learn. Go back to everything I have told you in the past. Did it not come to fruition? Did everything I tell you not come to pass? Why must you doubt us? Why must you doubt us? We are live and we are direct. Is bearing us witness. If you're joining us, this is a live presentation. Let me go and take some calls. News is coming in. Go and read news elsewhere, please. News is here. There is news coming in. To see who is on the line. The caller on the line, can you hear me?
Hello. Our leader, Monza.
Good morning. Where are you calling from? Where are you right now?
Yes, I'm calling from Delta State.
Warri, what is happening in Warri today? Why is Warri not moving? What is happening in Warri? Why is it not moving? I have given the order. I want everybody in Warri to come out to protest. It's a direct order. Tell them that is what I said. They must come out to protest today. They must come out to protest.
Yes. What of our brothers waiting for prison?
Break the prison. Break the prison. We outnumber them 100,000 to 1. break the prison where they are, attack the prisons and set them free. Without the fall of the Bastille, the French Revolution would have failed. Break the prison and set them free. Break the prison and set them free immediately. Immediately break that very prison in Warri and set them free. And the people must be on the streets in Warri. Today is a direct order. Thank you very much. Where they take people to, you break the prison and set people free. Break it and set people free. The zoo has fallen. It has fallen. The caller on the line, can you hear me? He is not paying attention. He is busy listening to my voice. He is not paying attention. The caller on the line, can you hear me? Hello? Raise your voice. I hate people afraid I cannot stand such idiots. If you call Radio Biafra, you raise your voice. The caller on the line, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Where are you calling from?
Sir, this is one man squad.
What is happening in Aba right now?
Yeah, this morning.
Yes.
I just want to give you a roll call of what we intend to do. Some of us have decided to go on a suicide mission.
Yes.
Because that is the only solution they will understand.
Yes.
So there are people now in my group. We are on a vow, an oath to take our lives. By some prominent people will go down. I want to give you a quick roll call of what we intend to do. Number one, all those armies and police that have been infiltrating the protesting group, sometimes they come, people will be giving them water and drink. They are spies. We are going to start with them. Number two, all the policemen, I want us to give order that all the policemen living in Aba, in private homes, either they move to the barracks or they lose their lives. Police, civil defense, immigration, cause anybody carrying gun in Aba living in rented apartments must vacate with immediate effect, or the person will meet his Waterloo. Sir, one more thing, I want you to further give us an insight and enlightenment on how to improvise weapons, how to make. They are coming. We don't need to tell you. The weapon of revolution is a bottle, petrol, and a rag. Bottle, petrol, and rag. Once you throw it anywhere, you light it. Once you throw it anywhere it lands, there will be fire in that very place. That is how you burn federal buildings down. You don't need to go inside. You can stay outside, put fuel in a bottle, put rag in the bottle, light it and you throw it, and the building will go up in flames. It's as simple as that. And every landlord, if you are a landlord and there is a policeman living in your house, you are a landlord in Aba, and you have a police, all these people in your house, they must vacate today. If you allow them in your house, you are an enemy of the people. They must leave today. Anywhere you see them, if you are a soldier or a police person and you want to, join the revolution, take off your uniform. Don't wear your uniform and come close to people on the ground. Take off your uniform. You must take it off. You must take it off. That is what's going to happen. I wish all of you well. I want every police station in Aba to go down. It is an order. Every police station in Aba must go down. It is an order. It must go down. If they want war, we give them war. As I said to them before, you think that Boko Haram, they have suicide bombers. Now you will see something you have not seen before. Now you will see that there are those who are dead long time ago. They are just a walking flesh. Now they will be sacrificed to get all of you. You are killing innocent people. In Nigeria, there is no room for civility. They don't understand civility. They are evil people. These are murderers and they are killers. And this revolution must stand. We have started and it must be finished. It must be finished. It must be finished. And it comes to an end.
they have no choice than to do what we are asking them to do. Instead of them to negotiate, instead of them to come out and say, we are sorry, what are we going to do? We are sorry. Please, we are sorry. We have offended you. They say we bring our Bian. You want to overthrow the God. Who are these Janjaweed self? Fulani idiots. You people are nothing. Other people can be afraid of you, not Biafrans. Other people can say Fulani and they fall over. You are nothing. You are nothing. Filthy, idiotic, backward, illiterates. You are nothing. Idiots everywhere. I feel sorry for these stupid, hopeless Hausa Alamajiri working with you people because they have no brain. Because they have no brain. But all of that is going to clear very soon anyway. We are live and direct. We are live and we are direct. We are live and we are direct. Any idiot who talks nonsense should be blocked. We need decent people right now. Decent people right now. Any idiot, if they hang the fool there and then, hang the idiot there and then is an agent of the zoo. Or Fulani to the you hang the idiot there and then. Fools, they don't know where I am. I'm not in the UK for your information. I am not. For your information, idiots, I am not. Go and ask the UK authorities. They will tell you I'm not there. Idiots everywhere. Fools everywhere. The revolution has started. No going back. No going back. At all, at all, at all. If you have something to say, you speak like a human being. They come. Yes, please. Morning to you. Morning. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Obingwa.
What is happening in Obingwa right now?
Nothing is happening, Mazi. We are on ground. Okay, see, Bazu is on the road, Mazi. Mazi, that man has succeeded in killing us a lot. That man is the reason why we in our high school. As I'm talking to you now, Mazi, I didn't sleep last night. I shed tears all over the night, but okay, see, Bazu, we paid dearly for it. He's an younger man, and I'm not an younger man. We have nothing in common. He had success. Fully killed us. But this time around, Mazi, before God and man, he will not only him, his family, school because of OKZ. We lost men a long way because of OKZ. As we lost men initially, we lost men in every part of Biafran, especially in State because of OKZ. As we lost men in Are, we lost in 7-Up Junction, we lost men in 7 days because of OKZ. We lost at Peminas, we lost at Toranta Junction, we lost at BBC, we lost at Ricos because of OKZ. He will really pay for it. And so we get the like it or not, he must collect. So as of Aga State, as of OKZ, as of Obingwa, he must collect. OKZ also must collect. Definitely he must collect. Definitely he must collect for your order. He must come back to this Obingwa and he must collect. He must collect.
OKZ Ibazo must die. OKZ Ibazo must die. As a warning to others. Hopefully, this year, by the grace of a politician that orders the army to shoot at protesters, in fact, there will be no army to start with. You don't know that? You think we're going to give guns to idiots to start terrorizing people? Of course not. It's not going to happen. Biafra will be a model democracy. We are going to be a model democracy. You must find them wherever. Sanwo-Olu, don't allow yourselves to be deceived. Don't allow yourselves to be deceived. Any governor announcing 24 hours curfew, you are a dead man walking. A dead man walking. For your information, let us take this call. The caller on the line, can you hear me? The caller on the line, no, they cannot. Let us see if we can take more. Caller on the line, can you hear me? Good morning to you, please. Where are you calling us from?
My name is Oreka. I call from Delta State, Warri.
From Warri. What is, I have given the order for Warri to come out. What are you people waiting for? I said Warri should come out. What are you waiting for?
Yes. Yes, everybody is on street. But our own here, there is no.
There is no what? There is no what? I'm not. I understand what you're saying, my dear brother. What you're saying is they are coming out in Warri right now. If they behave themselves, there'll be no need for violence. It's where they kill people that people turn violent. If they bring violence, you take violence to them. It's as simple as that. But the young people on the ground are commendable. They are brave. They are very, very brave, and we salute their courage. I have another caller on the line. Can you hear me? Fine. Where are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Where in Delta State are you? People keep. Where in Delta State are you? Yeah.
I am calling right inside the Delta State Warri prison.
What is that? Warri prison. You're calling from Warri prison. Go ahead.
Yes, we are waiting for your voice right now. We are waiting. Since 3 days ago, we are waiting. We're on our feet waiting. We have more than 1,000 something inmates only in this small prison.
If you come out, are you going to be at the forefront of the rebellion? Are you going to be at the forefront of the revolution?
I am already there.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Don't say much. Don't say too much. It's okay. A call from even inside the prison in Warri. If you know the homes of the people that work in Warri prisons, you know what to do. They want anarchy. We give them anarchy. And when we tell them that we will burn the zoo down, they thought we were joking. Mad people everywhere. Useless, idiotic people everywhere. Corrupt politicians. Corrupt leaders. You're holding the destiny of your children. Hurting our proposed children. Souls. Corrupt leaders. You're holding the destiny of. And when we tell them that we will burn the zoo down, they thought we were joking. Mad people everywhere. Useless, idiotic people everywhere. Corrupt politicians. Corrupt leaders. You're holding the destiny of your children. Your own kids are studying abroad, graduating abroad. Other people's children are suffering. You wicked bastards, wicked souls. The caller on the line, can you hear me? The caller on the. Where are you calling us from?
Mazi, I'm calling from Lagos.
What is happening this morning in Lagos?
Mazi, so the things that you have been talking about, you know.
I cannot hear you very well. What is happening? The caller on the line.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Where are you calling from? Where are you calling us from?
Mazi, I'm calling from Lagos.
What is happening this morning in Lagos?
Mazi, so you know the things that you have been talking about, for a very long time is just blowing out before the glare of everybody. Everybody can see it. So yesterday evening, we have protesters who are at the Lekki tollgate without any ammunition, young people that are protesting.
I can't hear you very well. There is noise on the background.
Protesters who are at the Lekki tollgate without any ammunition, young people that are protesting.
I can't hear you very well. There is noise on the background.
Protesters who are at the Lekki tollgate without any ammunition, young people that are protesting.
I can't hear you very well. There is noise on the background.
Without any ammunition, young people that are protesting.
I can't hear you very well.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Go ahead.
Yes, I'm from Ugara. Morning. I'm in Delta State in Ugara.
Yes, what is happening there?
Delta State in Ugara.
I know. What is happening?
What is happening because my wife just complained for me. My wife just complained for me. Say two of his brothers dey prison for many years now, and because they not do. That is what's okay. Ma, call you people.
Out. Bring them out. Bring them out. Every prison should be broken. Bring them out. Bring them out. They will be at the forefront of what we are doing. Every prison should be broken. It should be broken. Bring them out. Every prison should be broken. Bring out people. If you have called before and I took your call, do not call. Our FM is off in Aba. What type of nonsense is that? What type of nonsense is that, I ask? Our FM is off in Aba. I want it investigated immediately. Chinasa investigate and get back to me. If that FM doesn't come on within the next 5 minutes, heads will roll in IPOB, in Biafra land, the leadership. I want to know why our radio is not on in Aba. Right now, I want to know. Immediately. And please go on live there on IPOB community. Everywhere. Okay, no problem. They are saying they want to join the revolution. Prisoners are calling from everywhere. They want to join the revolution. Go and bring them out to join the revolution. Every prison must be thrown open so they can come out to lead the revolution. We are now in a revolution. We are no longer protesting. We are now in a revolution. If you revolution, the enemies will defeat you. They will defeat you. They will defeat you. If our Bar FM is not on this morning, what I will do to them, the leadership that is responsible, what take up all. What I will do to them, the leaders even anybody who asks you to come back is your enemy. You take them out and you proceed. We're in a revolution. Once in a lifetime opportunity is here. You are switching off our FM. I will deal with you. Idiots everywhere. Fools everywhere. Our bad needs to be on because the world is listening. We are communicating to a population, not just to individuals, to populations everywhere. The caller on the line, can you hear me, please?
I can hear you loud and clear. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Thank you very much, please. Where are you calling from?
I'm hearing you louder and clear. I'm in Aba. I'm hearing louder and clear.
Yes, please, go ahead. We are listening. Go ahead.
We are ready to conquer in any battle they need. There's no gentleman this time around. Every gentleman to go inside.
Gentlemen, go back. Are you hearing? That God has prepared the land free. The streets now belong to them. If you are a coward, you go back. If you're a gentleman, you go back. The revolution have any, and I also, people say, of course, you think they won't attack us? Of course, the same way that Anonymous is attacking them, hacking them, that's how they paid people in Israel and in Turkey to attack us. You don't know that? So that is why once in a while it will come and it will go. They're attacking us now. Once they attack us, it will happen. But you must remain very strong and resolute. You must remain strong and resolute. That's what they want to do. This one is pure attack. I can see the attack here. They are attacking our systems. That is how it is. But I can tell you that the mole, the zoo mole inside IPOB has been removed. So our systems are now safe. We have identified them. Agents of the Zoological Republic pretending. Meanwhile, they are fighting for the zoo. Where is he? Where is he? Where is the pig of the creek guarding pipeline for people in Zamfara that own the oil in our land? Where are they, I ask? The revolution, that thing you've been asking for. Oh, I'm a fighter, I'm a warlord, I'm a this. The revolution has come. It has come. And they are thinking of that. You see, that is why it's not good for a freedom fighter to be a businessman. Because when things like this happens, all you're thinking about is your business. What you're thinking about is just your business. You no longer think about the welfare of the people. That is why a freedom fighter should not own anything of value. Anything of value, you should not own it until you get the... Can you hear me? The caller on the line, can you hear me, please? Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir, my leader.
Good morning. Where are you calling from?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Where are you calling from?
From Italy, sir.
No, I don't want to take any call from Italy, not now. It will come later. Those in prisons, we want to hear from them. After all, Sars victims are in prisons. The caller on the line, can you hear me? The caller on the line, can you hear me? Yes, please, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Tell me where you're calling from. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Lagos.
Yeah.
I just want to make a little suggestion, which me personally, I will come out for that. I want all the embassies in Nigeria to lock down, to padlock, so that nobody will go in and nobody will coming out. And I wish people in diaspora should do the same. Lock the whole embassies with padlock. Lock it very well, so that nobody will go in for searching for visa to Nigeria and nobody will coming out. So that people, the whole world will hear about us. Because if they do so, then the ambassador will call their president and say, this is what is happening. People in
Thank you very much.
And things will start working. They will hear our voice. Particularly, and we go out for that. Any embassy in Lagos should be locked down. Nobody will go in and nobody will come out. That is my suggestion.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now let me make this very clear. Some people don't understand how a revolution works. You hear me?
Put us into that and say, why this thing like this, why this thing like this, why Nigeria do like that? By that time, the whole world will intervene in this matter. But if fail to lock down all the embassies by the docket, nothing will happen. World will not hear us. So from that area, we will hold the world responsible. We hold them, and things will start. Particularly, and we go out for that. Any embassy in Lagos should be locked down. Nobody will go in, and nobody will come out. That is my suggestion.
You need to go all out, and all hands must be on deck at the same time, fighting the same enemy. Our brave people, the great Niger Delta Avengers, very, very vital that we commence the eradication of the Janjaweed from our land. Very, very critical. That is number one. Everybody must come out. And also, please, Middle Belt must come out. Middle Belt youths must come out. Now. Not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. They must come out now. Middle Belt youths must come out now. Not tomorrow. All of you that Miyetiela have been slaughtering you, abducting your daughters, raping your mothers from southern Kaduna down. I expect this revolution to be in southern Kaduna as well. I expect this revolution to be in southern Kaduna as well. Everybody must come out now. Everybody must come out now. We are live and we are direct. Tell us what is happening where you are, please. What is going on where you are? They cannot hear me. This phase of the revolution is called search and destroy. Search for the enemies of the people and destroy them. Search for them, find them, and destroy them. It doesn't matter if they are uncles, your friends, or whatever, it doesn't matter. They are enemies of the people. Find them and destroy them. Find them and destroy them, and do it now. And has Tinubu been found in France? Our volunteers in France go to that place and sacrifice your lives if need be. We want Tinubu down. We want to find them. Luck has run out for them. Nobody should visit any embassy. All embassies must be on lockdown. Every access route to the embassies, but if their nationals are going there, please, you leave them. If their nationals are going to their embassies, you leave them. But any other person should be turned back until they report it. And I'm asking IPOB families all over Africa, every coordinator in Africa, our continental rep in Africa, our West Africa rep, East Africa, South Africa, I want every local station in Africa to report this revolution, and I want it done in the next 1 hour. Leave your workplace, leave what you're doing. If CNN will not carry it and the rest will not carry it, I want every station in Africa to carry this. Tell them to report what is happening in Nigeria, that the army and the police are massacring people. I want every local station in Africa to report this. I want every local station in Africa to report what is happening. They are attacking our app. That is correct. It is what they are supposed to do. But I can tell you, But we are live. If they attack the app, please refresh it. Refresh it, please, all the time. Facebook is suppressing us and removing people. Ever stop us. The revolution happening to make sure that if they attack us and they take us off, we go back in and we continue. That is how it is going to be. I understand that Cape Town will come out today. CNN is now reporting. I tweeted them this morning. People have been calling them out since yesterday, and now they said CNN has reported. We want their truck and their van in all the hotspots reporting. We need them in Aba, we need them in Lagos, in Abuja, in Kanu. Anywhere there is a hotspot, we need the heavyweight media houses to be there. They said that Asaba is very cold. Asaba is very, very cold. I don't want to start removing coordinators for not doing what they're supposed to do. I want Asaba to get up today, not tomorrow. Asaba must march today, not tomorrow. Everybody in Asaba must come out today and not tomorrow. The order has been given. Asaba must come out today. Warri is coming out today. People are coming out and they're protesting. We are now in a revolutionary phase. You must remain strong. You must remain resolute. You must remain determined. Do not allow yourselves to become distracted. Every property belonging to federal government of and they're protesting. We are now in a revolutionary phase. You must remain strong. You must remain resolute. You must remain determined. Do not allow yourselves to become distracted. Every property belonging to federal government of Nigeria should be destroyed, except schools, hospitals, and media houses. Wherever you find NTA, burn NTA down. They are part of the problem. If you get NTA, destroy them. The caller on the line, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, please. Can you hear me? All the roads to the airport, all the routes to the airport must be blocked. Any unit, any army or police unit that comes out, ambush them and kill them. Ambush them and kill them. Very, very important indeed. Ambush them and kill them. Ambush them and kill them. No flight should leave Lagos. If people are traveling, the world will think things are normal. No flight should come in or leave Lagos. Then the world will first report it by force. That is what we must do. The attack is not difficult. We are going to deal with it. The caller on the line, please tell us what is happening where you are. Tell us what is happening where you are. Good morning to you.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, I'm in Lagos Island now. I think as at this moment, still at Lekki Tollgate, and so there are people are still there. Nobody have left the premises. Even though everywhere is shut down, and nobody is listening to the curfew. So only this morning is talking rubbish that they never killed anybody, that you went around the hospital, you saw the casual people really sustained. At this moment, still at the premises. Nobody have left the premises, even though everywhere is shut down, and nobody is listening to the curfew. So only this morning is talking rubbish that they never killed anybody, that you went around the hospital, you saw the casual people really sustained the premises. Nobody have left the premises, even though everywhere is shut down, and nobody is listening to the curfew. So only this morning is talking rubbish that they never killed anybody, that you went around the hospital.
Buy some people over to be tampering with our app. There is nothing they cannot do. We are live this morning and we are direct. Everybody should come out today to march. I said everywhere, because CNN is now reporting it. The war must come out now. I mean, everywhere. Any state that is not rocking today, the coordinator is in trouble. Any state that is not on today, the coordinator is finished. That means you're taking money from the governor behind our back and asking our people an order land because the world is not paying attention. And as you're coming out, people are streaming live. People are streaming live. The zoo has fallen. The zoo has fallen. And the same person they call Buhari has not spoken. You claim his Buhari has not spoken. I told you before. I told you it was Al-Sudani Jubril before this one. This one is Yusuf Abubakar Muhammad. That is his name. Yusuf Abubakar Muhammad. Aisha Buhari's boyfriend. The zoo has fallen. We must remain strong. Mentally strong. Physically strong. Protesters, the hit squad should outflank them. That is his name. Yusuf Abubakar Muhammad. Aisha Buhari's boyfriend. The zoo has fallen. We must remain strong. Mentally strong. Physically strong. Drove him to France. As the order was given last night, the idiot ran away. Now they know that power truly belongs to the people. Facebook will kick us out. They will try to interrupt our program. They are paying heavy money, but it's not going to work. It will not work. I want all of you to remain strong, remain resolute. Nothing is going to happen. If they kick us out, we go back in again. If they kick us out, we go back in again. You must remain where you are. You must remain strong. You must remain determined. I want Biafra land to be rocking. As you're passing, every prisoner must be set free is an order. Every prisoner must be set free. Any governor who gets up to order any killing in their state, look for the governor and kill him and his family. Look for the governor, kill the governor and the family. If they order the army to shoot, kill the governor of the state. They want trouble, we give them trouble. Since that is what they want. Since that is what they want, we are live and we are direct. And Facebook is doing all they can to disrupt this very program this day. I don't know what is wrong with them, but we are telling them that we are resolute and we are determined. That thing that the world should not hear, mankind is going to hear it. There is only one number to call this very morning. The caller on the line, can you hear me? Where are you, please? Where are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
I'm in Ebonyi State now, sir.
What is happening in Ebonyi State?
Sir, nothing is happening in the local government in Ebonyi State now.
Why not?
The police are collecting money from people.
Chineke, Ebonyi State, Chineke, Chineke, I hereby remove the coordinator of Ebonyi State. The coordinator of Ebonyi State is hereby removed. Stood down. He is sacked from IPOB. He is expelled from IPOB. Chineke, coordinator is hereby removed. Is hereby sacked. Ebonyi State coordinator is removed. Sacked from IPOB. If you deal with him, you are finished. He is sacked now this evening. Ebonyi State coordinator is sacked. The executive of Ebonyi State is sacked with immediate effect. Immediate effect. Idiots. You take money from politicians, mobilize our people on the ground. There is a revolution. IPOB families in Ebonyi State must come out right now this very day. If the police stop you, you destroy them. You destroy them. Ebonyi State executive is sacked with immediate effect. Sacked now. I'm giving them 1 hour only in Delta. One hour, I said. in Asaba. Ebonyi State, the coordinator is removed with immediate effect. Any idiot who is around him, you will be dealt with. The Ebonyi State coordinator is removed right now, immediately, with immediate effect. Every zonal coordinator, every local government coordinator, mobilize your people. Mobilize your people. Mobilize your people. Bring them out on the streets. If Omahi asks for them to be shot out, Omahi will be hunted down. This order I have placed on Wodo today. Wodo, you see, Hope Uzadema and the Ibazo can never be taken back. Hunt them down and kill them. If Omahi orders the security to fire, you hunt Omahi down and you take him out. That thing they want, they will not get it. Mad people everywhere, and the Ebonyi State coordinator is gone. There is a revolution. Now is the time to know those who are revolutionaries. Now, not tomorrow. The revolution has started. Police station must go down since they have brought war to us. Leave BBC but reporters, don't touch them. Please do not touch them. Leave them, please. Don't touch them. Leave them. They are journalists. As bad as journalists are, don't touch them. The only people to take down is NTA. Burn down every NTA station. Burn it down. If you're close to it, you burn it down immediately. Immediately. And also across the diaspora, I want people to come out. Our Directorate of State issued the order, the whole of diaspora mobilize them. The whole of diaspora mobilize them right now. The whole of diaspora mobilize them. Cross River State Coordinator, Akwa Ibom State Coordinator, bring out our people on the streets. It is a direct order from me. Bring them out on the streets. There is a revolution happening. A revolution is happening. And we must tap into it. This is the time to end the zoo once and for all. There is no going back. No going back. The zoo has fallen. And the middle belt, you have a role to block every road in the middle belt. Make movement for the zoo army difficult. Make it difficult for them. These are the people killing you. They are the ones abducting your daughters and raping your mothers. Now is the time. Block every road in the middle belt. Middle belt must join this revolution. They must join this revolution. They must join it immediately. If you have called before, don't call again. I am going to issue the number again, please. The number to call is +44, WhatsApp only one number to call. WhatsApp only one number to call. +44 79 51 278 705. It has come. The caller on the line, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I have picked your number. You speak. I have picked your number. Speak. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Onitsha.
What is happening in Onitsha now?
I want to contribute something. Onitsha, very soon, I believe very soon things will start happening. But I want to contribute something, sir.
Go ahead.
What I want to say now, as you can see, this is not the work. It's not only the work of the youth. Lagos, everybody should come out. There is no way people come out and the army will kill all of them. What do I don't think they have done in the brain. Is their problem.
I now thank you very much for that. And I'm issuing an order. I am issuing an order to volunteer command everywhere. There should be no market opening. The people lock your shops, but there is a need for vital supplies to reach those that need them. From tomorrow, All markets should be shut down from tomorrow. Any market that opens tomorrow, we will burn it down. No market will open tomorrow. The zoo will shut down. Tomorrow is Thursday, and on Friday, nobody should go to work. No civil servant should go to work. The revolution is in full gear right now. From tomorrow, no market anywhere in Nigeria. No market. I said no market in Nigeria from tomorrow. From tomorrow, there will be no market. Civil servants from Friday don't go to work. The zoo will be in a perpetual lockdown until these issues are resolved. No market should be open from tomorrow. Lockdown. If you open any market tomorrow, give me the name of the chairman of the market. I will set an example with idiots. Give me anybody if you want to, if you think your brain is hot. Obani beg market. You see this open market tomorrow. The chairman of that market will go down from tomorrow. You will see. From tomorrow, no market. Anywhere in Biafra land, no market. In fact, I'm expecting those on the ground. I don't want to give order to people outside Biafra land. Those in Lagos, please, I beg of you, the organizers and the leaders, we are in a full-blown revolution. No market, no office in front of your house. Nigeria must change now. It's over for the zoo. The zoo. The caller on the line. They cannot hear me. They are attacking our lines. What do you expect them to do, please? There are two lines that are streaming this very broadcast. 2 lines are streaming it. That is what they do on Facebook. They attack, they make the lines to crack, and then they remove people from listening. That is what they do. You must continue to listen. You must continue to listen this very day. The other line is also up. You must continue to listen. We are in a full revolutionary mode. In a full revolutionary mode. The world is paying attention now. Everybody, every market tomorrow should be locked. Every market tomorrow should be locked down in Biafra land. Should be locked down in Biafra land. You will be compensated. Everybody will be compensated. All those billions they are taking, now we are going to get it from Abuja and pay every family compensation that they are due. Everybody, every family will be paid compensation that they are due. Right now, not tomorrow. We are going to do it. The markets must be locked down. No schools. No schools. From tomorrow, no schools. From Friday, no government workers should go to work. No work. No school. Anywhere across Biafra land and the rest of Nigeria. Everywhere across Nigeria, we are saying no schools. The revolution is in full swing. If you go back now, they will kill more of you. If you go back, they will kill many more people. If you go back, all these kleptomaniacs would have won. We must march forward. The only way to go is forward. We are not going backwards anymore. The war has been won. We have defeated them because a revolution is here. Every government, federal government building, burn it down. Burn it down. If you see police or army, disarm them and kill them. Disarm them and kill them, or else they will kill you. All of you saw what happened in Lagos last night. Now let me warn people, there is only one number to call this morning, only one number, not 2. If you call any other WhatsApp line, you'll be blocked. Only one number to call. I have given the number. Only one number to call. That number has been given. Do not call any other, please. I don't want those who are abroad to call right now. The caller on the line, can you hear me? The caller on the line, can you hear me? The caller on the line, can you hear me? Good morning.
My name
Everybody should march down to the nearest prison and set the prisoners free. March down to the nearest prison and set every prisoner free. March down to the nearest prison and set the prisoners free. If they fire at you, overwhelm them and kill them. Anybody who fires at you, overwhelm them and kill them. We are going to set the prisoners free. You are asking for where to go to the prisons and set the prisoners free. Set the prisoners free. Set them free. You must go and set the prisoners free. You must set them free. It is absolutely important. And thank you for your call. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, blood for blood. They have been killing us for very many years. They have been killing us for very many years. And now is the time for revenge. The time for revenge has come. Every sabo must go down. This is the time we are in a revolution. Hunt down the saboteurs. Bring out our people on the streets right now. Bring them out on the streets, please. Bring them out everywhere. They must come out. A Bonny State coordinator is sacked and expelled from IPOB. Anywhere that people are not coming out, the coordinator will be removed immediately live on air and expelled from IPOB. You must come out wherever you are. It is a revolution. It is a revolution. Find Okeze Ikpeazu. Find Okeze Ikpeazu. He killed us last night in Aba. Find Okeze Ikpeazu and destroy him. Find him and destroy him. Find him. Unless somebody's name is mentioned live, please. All the high-profile people, unless they are mentioned live on air, don't go after them. Anybody we want you to take down will mention that person's name, please. Very, very important. Very, very critical that we understand it. Stop saying we need arms. Every idiot saying, and now bring arms to your house to give to you. Come out on the streets and join people to protest. And then you will see if there are arms or not. Foolish people everywhere. Give us arms. You are in your house writing on social media. Give us arms. Come out on the streets and protest. Come out on the street and protest. What is happening to that brigadier, Francis Omata? Have you found him? Have they found the family? Have they found the family of that idiot? Has he been found? He must be made an example of. You're fighting. You can't go and fight Boko Haram. You're a brigadier in the army. You couldn't go to Boko Haram to go and fight them. You are in Lekki Bridge shooting people who were singing national anthem. Do you know what that means? They were singing the zoo national anthem with the zoo flag. Nigerian national anthem with Nigerian flag, and you were shooting at them. Which soldiers on this earth will fire at people singing national anthem? And the Sanwo-Olu is telling you people were injured, and some of you idiots in Lagos, you're listening to such garbage. You're listening to such nonsense. Sanwo-Olu must be hunted down. If you allow such idiots to exist, they will kill you again and again and again and again. Sanwo-Olu is a traitor to the Yoruba race. He is a traitor to Oduduwa. That man must go down. His master has fled. Sanwo-Olu must go down. If you allow him there, they will kill more people. That people were injured. And you allowed him, and he's moving about saying people are injured. When the whole world, we have the videos of them slaughtering innocent people. Slaughtering innocent people. And you want him to go scot-free. Our people must be resolute. They must be determined. And everybody in the diaspora, please, the least you can do to support this struggle, this very revolution, is to go on social media, go on Twitter, please, and continue to tweet. That is the only thing you can do. You cannot join the protest from there. I know that the UK will come out this week. Friday or Saturday, the UK will come out. You don't need to plan any or have any meeting for you to understand that you need to do something and do it urgently, and that time is now. I am not taking any foreign calls. I'm listening to those who are at home. I want to hear those who are at home. Any state that is not rocking today, the coordinator should simply resign or I'll mention your name on air. The same way Ebonyi State has suffered this indignation this morning. If you're a coordinator and our people have not locked down that state, then you are in serious, serious trouble. Benue State, the same thing. Kogi, the same thing. People must come out. People must come out. Enugu, the same. People must come out. People must come out. The Lagos State governor must go down. Forget all your stupid sentiments. The Lagos State governor must go down. If he doesn't go down, believe you me, all this revolution cannot succeed. With Sanwo Olu in office, this revolution cannot succeed. He must go down. He must go down for killing people last night. The caller on the line, can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Where are you calling from?
Good morning.
Good morning. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Enugu.
What is happening in Enugu right now?
As of yesterday, something happened. We rallied around, and we moved to many places. But today, I'm not sure of what is going to happen today.
Okay, but today you must come out to protest because it's a revolution and it is every day. You have to do it for, I told you people, after 1 week it becomes a revolution. We are now in a revolution. Only 3 more weeks to go. Only 3 more weeks to go and we have victory. We have freedom. People must come out every blessed day. Every blessed day to protest. I am sure they have not killed or shot anybody in Enugu. So you should have a peaceful protest in Enugu. If they kill anybody, then the governor will be in trouble. Once they don't kill anybody, the protest will continue to be peaceful. In Enugu, I call for peaceful protest in Enugu because they have not killed anymore. Anywhere you see them, you hunt them down. Especially Okezi, Baza, and Hope Uzodema. Anywhere you see them, take them down. Thank you very much for that. I am sure that Enugu will come out today. I am very, very sure that they will come out. That is what usually happens. They plan and they come out and the revolution continues. Where you must come out. Every state capital, you must come out. Every major town, you must come out. Onisha, you must come out. Everywhere, you must come out. Everywhere, you must come out. We must deal with them today. And as you're going, you are dismantling every checkpoint. Every checkpoint should be dismantled. As you are moving, every checkpoint should be dismantled. Every police, army checkpoint, dismantle them. Dismantle them. If they want to join us, they should take off their uniform and come and join us. They should take off their uniform and come and join us. Everywhere we expect people to turn out today. The revolution is here now. You must remain consistent. You must remain consistent. The caller on the line, can you hear me? The caller on the line, can you hear me? They are not paying attention, or maybe they don't know how to do it. The caller on the line, can you hear me? No, they are listening. They will get the hang of it very soon. And when you call, you speak. Yes, please. Where are you?
Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. Hello, I'm calling from Obolafor, precisely.
Obolafor, what is going on there? What is going on?
We are planning our protest tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we are going to.
Why tomorrow? Why tomorrow in Obolafor? Anyway, I can excuse Obolafor. You are starting tomorrow. I can excuse Obolafor. You can start tomorrow. I know that is okay. There's no problem. You can start tomorrow. You can start tomorrow. No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Our FM, we are told in Enugu, is not working. Tomorrow. Why tomorrow in Obola? Anyway, I can excuse Obola for. You are starting tomorrow. I can excuse Obola for. You can start tomorrow. I know that is okay. There's no problem. You can start tomorrow. You can start tomorrow. No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Our FM, we are told in Enugu, is not working. I want to start tomorrow. You can start tomorrow. No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Our FM, we are told in Enugu, is and Elohim is bearing, you must speak. If you want to hear your voice from the radio, then you are mistaken. The caller on the line, are you ready to speak now? Are you ready to talk now?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Where are you calling from? Good morning to you. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Uyo. Everywhere is cool. We are having a peaceful protest for now. There is no any problem.
Yes, once Emmanuel Odom gives, I want to say he gives that, once nobody is shot, once no shot is fired, it should remain peaceful in Uyo. If there is no shot fired, it should remain peaceful in Uyo. It should remain peaceful in Uyo. Once they fire a shot in Uyo, then we show them who we are. But for now, thank you for your call. Uyo, they have come out in Uyo, and it is peaceful, and I welcome that. Enugu, come out. It should be peaceful in Enugu because nobody has been killed. Once they kill somebody, then they get that thing that they're looking for. The caller on the line, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I'm calling from Alaba, Ojo.
From Ojo, what is happening where you are, please? What is happening?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What is happening to you? No, you will hear your voice later, and when he hears it now, he will put his hand on his head. That is what happens always. If you are a custodian of our transmitter and it's not working, you have a query to answer. You have a query to answer. All our transmitters should be on. Our FM should be working. We are in a revolution. And times like this was why we acquired them in the first place. The caller on the line, where are you calling us from? Where are you calling from?
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
I'm calling from Imo State.
Owerri, what is happening there?
Nothing is happening in Owerri. All the coordinators, we are no more doing protests in Owerri. We want to let it start. Let the war start. They call for it.
Of course, Owerri will come out today. Owerri came out the other day. They'll come out today as well. They'll come out.
The coordinator should tell us where it will be. We don't know dull moment anymore.
No dull moment.
We do protest again.
Yes. Yes, no dull moment.
We are not ready for protest. Let it begin ahead.
Of course. Mazi Nnamdi, instruct people to make sure that IPOB community radio is working. That our satellite is working. I want them to work now. Not tomorrow. Not after. I want it done now. When we are under attack, I can say it on my screen. We are not under attack anymore. So my voice should be coming out loud and clear to the entirety of humanity. That is the way it's going to be. The coordinator of Imo State, move our people out on the streets now, not tomorrow. I said everywhere. In Mbano, in Mbise, in Etiti, everywhere in Olo. Close Imo State down now. This is a live presentation, and the world is bearing us witness. We started, I can't even remember. Then we started around 6 o'clock, Biafra land time. We are still taking calls from people on the ground. The caller on the line, can you hear me? Yes, please. Where are you calling us from? Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Where are you calling us from? He has not learnt anything. He will hear his voice, and then he will call us back. The caller on the line, can you hear me?
Hello, Mazi. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Where are you calling us from?
I'm calling from Owerri this morning.
What is happening where you are?
Mazi, our coordinators are not working in Owerri. Owerri is too quiet. Owerri is too quiet. Nothing is working. Mazi, nothing is working, and I'm not happy over it. Owerri is too quiet.
Okay, thank you very much for the information.
Our coordinators should do something. They should send a message. Tell us where we are going to gather. We will say everywhere you come there. We want to scatter away. Let this idiot know that men are here.
Thank you very much. Every Nigerian youth, not just, in every major town to come out. Every youth everywhere must come out. This is your moment in history, and you have to seize it. History is beckoning, and you have to seize this very moment. There is no more time to waste. There is no more time to waste. The time is upon us. The appointed time is upon us. You must go out on the streets now. Where the governor is a peaceful person and no shot is fired, we remain peaceful. But where they come out to kill us, we are going to kill them. As we are now doing in all other places. In Lagos as well, every federal government building must go up in smoke. If they are guarding them with their soldiers, lay ambush them and kill them. Everybody who has a weapon, give it to the protesters to go and defend the people because they are killing the people. Uyo have started. I want to hear about Calabar, what Calabar is doing. I know that Warri have started already, or they're about to start. That is what we need to do everywhere, please. The caller on the line, they cannot hear me. They cannot hear me. Of course, the zoo will do all the... The caller on the line, can you hear me? Hello? Yes, please, your name and where... Good morning, sir. Good morning to you, please. Where are you calling us from? Where are you calling us from?
I'm calling from Bayat. I'm calling from Yenagoa, sir.
From Yenagoa. What is happening in Yenagoa right now?
I just called. I'm still inside my house and about going out. I cannot give you direct what is going on. Actually, what is going on. But as at yesterday, there was a protest, and I believe that today there must be protests again.
Thank you very much. So we salute Yenagoa. We know that our Bayelsa State coordinator is awesome. He's awesome.
Okay.
He's awesome. He is a great man. He is awesome. And he's doing a very great job.
Yes.
And I'm glad to hear that Bayelsa, that Yenagoa came out yesterday. And we also expect them to come out today. We expect them to also come out today, please. Everybody must come out everywhere. We expect Ogoniland to also come out everywhere. Go ahead, please. Go ahead. We're listening.
Another today again, I was following you this morning, suspend the Ebony State coordinator. Because these things, I'm just begging you, let you know that it's a saboteur that called and
not at all. No, nobody called. I have been monitoring the situation in Ebony. I have been monitoring how Dave Umahi infiltrated IPOB in Ebony State. I have been monitoring them. Yeah, I have been. I don't say anything I do not. If you know me, anybody who knows me very well, before I make any utterance, is because there is enough evidence. Enough evidence, please. Enough evidence. That is something we must understand. We don't say things for saying sake. There is enough evidence. And the time has come for that change to happen. Thank you very much for your call. Thank you very, very much for your call. Ebonyi State, I am asking all the zonal, all the local, all the senatorial coordinators to take over and bring out our people on the streets of Ebonyi State. All the senatorial coordinators bring out our people in Ebonyi State. It's a direct order. And we are going to take a break now, and we are going to come back very, very shortly, and to make sure that all our systems are working. By the time we return back in the next few hours, or in the next hour even, I want all our FM stations to be working. And thank you very much for listening to us. Right, play our out music, of course, play our national anthem, because this program hasn't ended. We are taking a slight break and we are going to come back in a short while. I thank you all very much for listening. But in the next hour, all of you must return. In the next hour, you must all return. Those who do not have IPOB community radio, go and download it. Go and download it because the revolution is upon us right now. The revolution is here and we must seize the moment. We must seize it. Thank you very much. And I'll see you very, very shortly.
Young people raised about 25 million naira for protests, and protesters are testifying to the impact of the disbursed fund on food and medical supplies. Yet, the federal government allegedly disbursed 600 billion naira as COVID-19 palliative, and no single Nigerian benefited. So we should remember that when we collect money for a job or road construction and refuse to execute the job, which eventually leads to the death of innocent people, or a civil servant, you collect kickback and over-invoice contract paper, thereby making it impossible to execute other jobs, you are worse than Sars. As a politician, be you senator, honorable or honorable members, president, governor, or chairman, or councillor, and your salaries or allowances are 100 times more than that of the people you represent, yes, you still circumvent the process to enable you steal from public purse, then there's no difference between you and the gun-trotting Sars. As a lawyer or judge, when you collect money to trade off judgments and grant electoral victory to someone rejected at the poll and make someone who didn't participate in the election process become a governor, president, senator, or even lawmaker, and he eventually takes decisions that will affect thousands of people, there's no hiding place from it. You are Sars. A lecturer or employer who requests for sex or money in return for marks or employment is definitely not different from Sars, even though he's not carrying a gun. A police IG or commissioner who receives police budgets and fixes it in an interest-yielding account while collecting the interest therein up front, yet the rank and file under him or her are left to suffer, is the true meaning of Sars itself. A medical doctor who, after swearing to the Hippocratic oath, still watches people die carelessly while insisting on payment of bills before treatment is a practicing Sars member. As a regulator or custom officer, immigration, government department, ministries, agencies, ICPC, EFCC, civil defense, etc., and you use your job to oppress, harass, and intimidate people, if someone calls you as Sars, answer him because that's your name, that's what you are. People work tirelessly for 35 years in government and they have to die by stomach before you pay them pension. While Sars kills 10 with their pen or inaction, you kill hundreds with your actions. As a supporter of politicians, you criticize everything government did while in opposition, only to support everything you once criticized once your candidate is in government, or vice versa. In fact, you are Sars personified. You that increased tariff in the midst of a pandemic is worse than Sars. The list is endless. I would therefore advocate that as we protest for a better policing and society, we must also remember that our workers, politicians, lecturers, civil servants, judges, lawyers, doctors, police are drawn from amongst us. And it is those little injustices that we failed or neglect to address years ago that became the convention that we are addressing now. Let us start anew and with a new orientation and a new social order. That social reorientation can begin when we reduce the salaries and allowances of our public office holders and cut wastages. We would have enough fund to plow into other sectors of the economy. If government treats everyone as a stakeholder in the Nigerian project, and we collectively see ourselves as such, and all do our little bit, whether anybody's watching or not, we would have reduced the SARS in our life without having to change the name from SARS to SWAT.
Life is from Nigeria, the killing of our people, the killing of our tribe, the killing of our ethnic community has been going on now since independence, since the colonization, and we're not out of it yet. People are dying every day. Why is everyone not tweeting about it? Why is Boris Johnson not saying anything about it? Why is the Queen not saying anything about it? If it was the election in Nigeria, or 200 girls kidnapped in Nigeria by Boko Haram, the whole world was talking about it. During the election of Nigeria, Obama was talking about it. The UK was talking about it. The whole world was talking about it. Now our people are being killed, our future are being jeopardized, our kids are being murdered in front of us, and nobody is talking about it. This is sick. This is the world we're living in right now. Nobody give a shit about Africa. Nobody give a shit about Nigeria. And they need to know the true African story. Go and check the West and the rest of us. Go and check the journey of the African colony. Then we can find out the problem of what's going on with Nigeria. People call us fraudsters. People call us criminal. People call us evil because of who we are. But we're here saying our mind. We're not evil just for nothing. We're not corrupt just for nothing. We're not criminal just for nothing. Some people made us that way. We were put up together with something that we didn't want. It wasn't free will to start Nigeria. Nigeria was a sham project. Nigeria is fake. Nigeria was a problem colonized by the colonial masters. They were brought together. There was a lot of people that were killed. There was a lot of people that was murdered. Oh God, look at Frederick Lord Lugard. Look at what he did to the Southerners. Look at what he did to the Easterners. And people in Nigeria putting on his statues. Frederick Lord Lugard is not a hero. Frederick Lord Lugard is a criminal. He put up Nigeria into all this mess we're in the first place. How can you jump people without no religious belief? How can you put people together with people that have different ideologies, people that have different religion belief, people that have different cultural belief, people that have different traditional belief? You put us together, you form us Nigeria, now you're thinking we're not making it. How can we make it? They took all the money. Who runs the IMF? Who runs the World Bank? It's America. Who runs us right now? It's the United Kingdom. And they can keep quiet while people are getting murdered. We are your children. We are the bastard children you made from Nigeria. The Nigerian you formed together is not working. Your three wives, the South, the East, and the North, they're dying every day. You need to speak up. We need to get people retweeting this. This should be trending topic. This is not about 200 girls. There's more than thousands of people dying every day. Look at Kaduna. Look at this North. Look at what's going on in the North. Who is talking about it? El Rufai is keeping quiet. Buhari is keeping quiet. I don't blame Buhari. I blame the people that put Buhari there. How did Jonathan get out of it? It's because of Buhari. How did Buhari get there? What was the campaign manager of Barack Obama doing in Lagos during Buhari's campaign? Where did Buhari go when he got elected? The first congratulatory message. Which country did Buhari go? Buhari came here. Buhari came to England. Buhari came here to see the Godmasters. Buhari came here to see the Godfathers that gave him the blueprint. This is how you're going to run Nigeria. We want the world to hear what's going on in Nigeria. We want people to see that we're not just here for nothing's sake. People are dying. We don't want too much. We don't want 5 million. We don't want 3 million. We don't want you to pay us for the damage you've done during slavery. We just want the common thing. We want to live as humans. Is that too much? It's not too much, guys. It's not too much. That's why we're here. Come on, people need to speak up. Nigeria is a mess. The family you put together in Nigeria is a mess. We came to this country. We fought for this country. Nigerians fought for this country. Go and check it. They didn't put our name on it. They put Africans. Nigeria is not the only Africa on the map. We are Nigerians. We fought for this country. Our warriors were taken away from their parents by force. Why the preachers' kids stay in their house? Why the preachers' kids stay in their school? Why the preachers' kids stay with their family? Our warriors from Nigeria were slaughtered during the World War. Why is everyone not talking about it? This is my country as well, because my ancestors died, they bled and sweat for this country. So if you think you don't have a visa, this is the time. We need to change that perspective. We don't need a visa to come here. Where's the Commonwealth? The Commonwealth, the wealth is not shared commonly. Everything is sham. We need to speak up. I'm not here trying to laugh. I'm here to say my mind. Nigeria is not right. And we need to stand right now. This is what we're doing. And the whole world should listen to this. Trust me, Nigeria will be great again. Nigeria will be big again. We need to watch. What you're afraid of will come to you. Because Nigerian youth, they've woken up. Nigerian youth are smarter. Nigerian youths are hardworking. You call us fraudsters. You call us criminals. You are the criminals. You put us in that situation in the first place. You put us in that situation in the first place. So we can't keep short anymore. We can't keep quiet anymore. The world needs to know. United Kingdom needs to know. Come on, what the fuck? There's Germany there. There's Ireland. There's Wales. You know, coming together, they agreed to be in United Kingdom. We never agreed to be with Nigerian. You forced us to be in Nigerian. That's why we're here. We're in a mess because of what you did. It was made in a parliament house. Guys, go and watch the journey of an African colony. You will see, go and watch the West and the rest of us, how the white supremacy have been taking over our land, how Shell have been mocking us, how they have been stealing our money, how they've been ruining us, how they've been ruining the future. What can I tell my kids? What can I tell them? Because right now my country is in a mess. I don't have no history. I don't have where I come from. Look at this happening in England. I work with a lot of young people in England. People are angry because they don't know where they come from. You need to let us reconnect with our roots. You need to let us reconnect with our tradition. You need to let us reconnect with our tribe. That's who we are. Don't force us together in an agreement that we're not even part of. How can I suffer for the sins of my ancestors when I wasn't there to sign the agreement that I want to be Nigerian? Now my name is Nigga Area. Come on. Nigga Area. African, we need to wake up. Bless you doing something out there. Let everyone know this. African will be great again. Nigeria will be great again. We are the first person in creation. Go and check the history. 3 million years ago, the blood that they found in Africa was the blood of Lucy. Lucy was African. We are the head. If the head is not right, the whole world will never be right. I can guarantee you, you're fighting COVID, we're fighting for innocent citizens trying to have a living. Come on, wake up, the world. The world needs to wake up. The youth needs to wake up. This is our time. We are the future. We are the internet generation. We are the Indomie generation. We are the Sorosaki generation. Come on, can I hear some Sorosaki?
Another Savior.
Holy, 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 Adimebujuku. Another Savior.
Another Savior.
Holy, 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 Adimebujuku. Another Savior.
Well, this is MAOBI N. This is dedicated to the gallant heroes of the Nigerian Biafra War and IPOB families all over the world. I remember the Nigerian Biafran war, in the thickness of the Biafra genocide. Hey, one man revived the vanishing hope to life. Let the great Biafran army to fight, and they were singing out, holy, 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 is another Savior. They were singing out, holy, 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 holy. Another great leader has risen up now. Oh, and he's leading the Biafrans to victory. Inyamadika, Yabika Kokwanam Noah. Hey, Anamakele Mazuche Mefo. Manemo, it's an honor having you on board. When I'm singing along, holy, 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 holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Now